Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that this is just my personal experience with the service. In this video, we're taking a look at Virgin Money UK, accessible at uk.virginmoney.com. This financial institution offers a wide range of services, from everyday banking to credit cards and mortgages. Let's dive a little deeper into what they provide. Their website is a great starting point for exploring their offerings, providing details on current accounts, savings options, and various loan products. Navigating the site is generally straightforward, allowing users to easily compare different account features and associated fees. You'll find information on interest rates, eligibility criteria, and the application process for each product. Virgin Money emphasizes its digital banking platform, highlighting features like mobile banking and online account management tools. These tools often include features such as budgeting assistance, spending trackers, and personalized financial insights. They also appear to focus on providing customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and secure online messaging. Exploring the website further, you can usually find details on their branch network across the UK, providing options for in-person assistance. They also frequently highlight their commitment to security and fraud prevention, outlining the measures they take to protect customer information and funds. It's worth noting that Virgin Money often features promotions and special offers for new customers, so it's always a good idea to check their website for the latest deals. Finally, be sure to read through the terms and conditions for any product or service before signing up to ensure it aligns with your financial needs and goals. Remember to do your own research and compare their offerings with other financial institutions to find the best fit for your specific circumstances.